In this video, you are going to learn how to make this kind of attractive application and how can you earn money using this application. You can earn money using Google AdMob. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, you can go on Deepseek platform and you can type your this kind of prompt. Now you can click on this button. This platform will generate HTML code. You can simply click here to copy this HTML code. Now in next step, you can open Notepad and you can paste here that code. Now you can click on File button. You can click on Save As button. You can type your index.html. Now you can click on Save button. In next step, you can visit on Web into a platform and you can click on Get Started button. Now you can click on HTML files button. You can click on Select zip file button. Guys, you will have to compress that file in zip format. You can right click here. Now you can click on this button. You can go on Web into a platform. You can click here. You can select this file, click on Open button. Now you can scroll down. You can type your app name. Now you can type your package name. You can type your name. Now you will have to upload your app icon. You can click on Find button. You can search your calculator. Here you can see there are a lot of app icons. You can click here. Now you can download any of this app icon. You can click on download icon. You can select PNG format. Click on free download button. Now you can go on Web into a platform. You can click on select icon button. You can select app icon. Click on open button. Now you will have to monetize this application to earn money. You can click on AdMob button. You can click on enable AdMob button. You can paste your AdMob app ID for Android users. You can paste your AdMob unit ID. You can paste your AdMob app ID for iOS users. You can paste your AdMob unit ID for iOS users. And then you can click on OK button. In next step, you can click on Next button. Here is showing app details. You can click on Make App button. Now you will have to create account on this platform. You can type your name. You can type your email address. You can type your password. You can confirm password. And at last you can click on Register button. It will take some time. Now you can select your app category. Here you can see there are a lot of app category. You can select any of this app category. You can type your app description. You can click on OK button. Here is showing application. You can click here. You can click on download button. Click on download button. You can click here. Here is showing downloaded file. Now I'm going to extract this file. You can open this folder. Here is showing APK file. You can install this application in your Android device. Your application will look like this. Google will show advertisement on this application. For this advertisement, Google will pay you money. So guys, using this method, you can also make this kind of application. If you want to learn more about AdMob, then watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.